Hi guys, and in this video I will show you new bot for Townstar. First of all, download the archive at the link from the description, then disable your antivirus as shown in the video. After this, open archive with bot and unpack files to any folder. Password is 12345.
You said I'd fly away, but my walls have kept me down. Now I'm lost and I'm afraid, and I'm close to hit the ground.
Now, open the update checker and update the bot to the latest version.
You said I'd fly anyway, but I keep on falling.
Updates successfully installed. Now open the bot and wait for the load.
You said I'd fly anyway, but I keep on falling. But I keep on falling.
Successful. Now, open game and enjoy.
We're all searching for that open door. Show me proof that there is something more. I just hope I am okay with the choices I make. Maybe then I'll understand.